Good evening, my dear students. How are you? First of all, I'm very happy with the students who solved the worksheet and sent them to me and who solved the electronic homework. Thanks very much. And I hope all the students to participate with us. طبعا بنشكر الطلاب اللي شاركوا معانا وأرسلوا لنا أوراق العمل وحلوا الواجب الإلكتروني، ونبغى من باقي الطلاب نأمل منهم إن شاء الله رب العالمين إن هم يشاركوا معانا إن شاء الله. Now we will study unit number 1. It's nice to meet you. Unit number 1. It's nice to meet you. Please open your box, page 2 and page 3. Page 2 and page 3. Nice to meet you. We have two pictures. There are two boys. Okay, this is Jack and this is Hashim. They meet each others, or when you meet partner. When you meet partner. When you need to ask someone for his name, you ask him, what's your name? What's your name? What's your name? And he answers with, my name is, and say his name. My name is Ahmad, my name is Muhammad. What's your name? My name is, and say your name. When you want to ask a partner or someone about his age, you ask him, how old are you? How old are you? And he answers with, I am, and say he years old. I am 11 years old. I am 10 years old. I am 12 years old, and so on. When you want to ask someone where he lives, you ask him, where do you live? Where do you live? He answers with, I live in, and say his town or city, like, where do you live? I live in Tabuk. Where do you live? I live in Jeddah. Where do you live? I live in Dammam, and so on. Okay, again, what's your name? My name is, and say your name. When you want to ask someone about his age, how old are you? And he say, I am years old. Okay, when do you want to ask someone where he lives, you ask him, where do you live? He says, I live. Exercise number 1, listen and practice. Exercise number 1, listen and practice. Listen and practice. This is Jack and this is Hashim.
Hi, I'm Jack. What's your name? Hi, I'm Jack. What's your name?
My name's Hashim. My name's Hashim.
Hi, I'm Jack.
What's your name? My name's Hashim.
How
old are you? How old are you? I'm 11 years old. I'm 11 years old. Where do you live? Where do you live? I live in Jeddah. I live in Jeddah. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you too.
When someone says to you, nice to meet you, you says, nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you too. Now listen again.
Hi, I'm Jack. What's your name? My name's Hashim. How old are you? I'm 11 years old. Where do you live? I live in Jeddah. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too.
Hi, I'm Jack.
What's your name? My name's Hashim. How old are you? I'm 11 years old. Where do you live? I live in Jeddah. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too.
Okay. Now, exercise number 2. Small talk. Ask your partner and get their answer. This is 2 boys. One asks and the other answers. Okay. Number 1. What's your name? My name is. And say your name. My name is Ahmad. My name is Muhammad. Question number 2. How old are you? I am 11 years old, 10 years old, 12 years old. Okay, that's your age. Question number 3. Where do you live? You say I live in Dammam, I live in Jeddah, I live in Tabuk, and so on. Okay, now listen carefully and we will answer the question.
Make pairs. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. Ask your partner and get their answers.
What's your name?
My name's.
How
How old are you? I'm
years
old. Where do you live? I live in.
Okay, good. Now change partners. Ask your partner and get their answers.
What's your name? My name's. How old are you? I'm years old. Where do you live? I live in.
Okay, good. We're finished.
Okay, now question number 1. What's your name? My name is. Here you will write your name. Here you will write your name. You can say my name is. You can say my name is. My name is Ali. My name is Ahmad. My name is Muhammad. Now we will write Ali. My name is Ali. And write your name here. Now my name is Ahmad. My name is Muhammad. Question number 2. How old are you? How old are you? I am years old. I am years old. Here we can write I am 11 years old. I am 10 years old, and so on. We can write I am. Yes. We can write I am 11. I am 11. I am 11 years old. Question number 3. Where do you live? Where do you live? You can answer with I live in. I live in. You can say I live in Tabuk. I live in Tabuk. Here we can write Tabuk. Here we can write Tabuk. Capital T. Okay. We can write Tabuk. Okay. You will answer these questions in your book. Okay, now there is all the question. Okay, try to answer these questions in your book. Now exercise number 3. Listen, match, and circle the correct age. Ask and answer with a partner. Again, listen, match, and circle the correct age. Ask and answer with a partner. Okay. Listen.
Let's listen first. Are you ready? Let's start.
What's your name? My name's Abdallah. How old are you? I'm 10 years old. Where do you live? I live in Riyadh.
Okay, so Abdullah is 10 years old and he lives in Riyadh. Okay, circle 10. Circle 10. Abdullah is 10 years old and he lives in Riyadh. Okay.
What's your name? My name's Faisal. How old are you? I'm 12 years old. Where do you live? I live in Abha.
Okay, Faisal is 12 years old and he lives in Abha. Okay, Faisal is 12 years old and he lives in Abha.
What's your name? My name's Saeed, and this is my friend Badr. How old are you? We're 14. Where do you live? We live in Jazan.
So, Saeed and Badr are 14 years old, and they live in Jizan. They are 14 years old and they live in Jizan.
What's your name? My name's Nora. How old are you? I'm 10 years old. Where do you live? I live in Dammam.
So, Nora is 10 years old and she lives in Dammam. Nora is 10 years old and she lives in Dammam.
What's your name? My name's Amal, and this is my friend Nawal. How old are you? We're 13 years old. Where do you live? I live in Medina. Okay.
So, Amal and Nawal are 13 years old and they live in Medina. Amal and Nawal are 13 years old and they live in Medina. Okay. Now, the last exercise here, the goals. Goal number 1 and goal number 2. Goal number 1, act out the talks about meeting someone with a partner. Try to act out تمثل يعني talks about meeting someone with a partner. Partner يعني صديق أو زميل. Okay. Goal number 2, ask and answer questions about name, age, and where someone lives. Ask and answer about name. What's your name? My name is Ahmed. About age. How old are you? I am 11 years old. About where someone lives. Where do you live? I live in Tabuk. I live in Tabuk. Now, open your workbook. Open your workbook. Unit 1, page 71. Page 71. Goal number 1, I can act out that talks about meeting someone with a partner. Okay. Here you will write your name, Ahmed Muhammad, class, and here you will write your class. Now, listen and practice. Listen carefully.
Goal 1. I can act out the talks about meeting someone with a partner. 1. Listen and practice. 1.
Hi, I'm Jack. What's your name? My name's Samir. How old are you? I'm 11 years old.
2.
Where do you live? I live in Jeddah. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too.
Okay, listen again.
Goal 1. I can act out the talks about meeting someone with a partner. 1. Listen and practice. 1.
Hi, I'm Jack. What's your name? My name's Samir. How old are you? I'm 11 years old.
2.
Where do you live? I live in Jeddah. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too.
Okay, now exercise number 2. Read the questions and write your own answers. You will answer these questions in your book. Question number 1. What's your name? What's your name? Here you will write my name is and write your name. My name is Ahmed. My name is Muhammad, and so on. Question number 2. How old are you? You will answer with I am 11 years old. I am 11 years old. Okay, I am 11 years old. Question number 3. Where do you live? Here you write I live in Tabuk. Okay, I live in Tabuk. This is your homework. Exercise number 2, page 71. Last thing, true or false? True or false? Alligators can swim. This is alligator. Okay, this is alligator. What's the meaning of swim? Swim. Yes, يسبح. Alligator can swim. True or false? True or false? Yes, I think true. Alligator can swim. This is true. Okay, this is the end of our lesson today. Goodbye.